It's your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Hey, 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 how y'all doing? Welcome all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my old subscribers. Now, happy Sunday to each and every one of you guys. I want to show you guys how I make my baked chicken. So, this is going to be some barbecue baked chicken. I just have some chicken legs. You can use chicken thighs, chicken breasts, however you want to do it. It don't even matter, whatever your preference is, okay? So, what I am making is the chicken legs. I'm gonna season up these legs and I'm gonna put them in the oven and bake them, okay? So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you which how I season up my chicken and all that I do to get it prepared for the oven, okay? Okay, y'all, so I got my chicken legs ready, got me some down in my pan. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is, hold on one second. All right, so now to this chicken, I'm gonna be adding some garlic powder. I'm gonna just start off with a teaspoon at a time, y'all, because y'all know I'm measure. So I'm trying to get this right for y'all, okay? So a teaspoon of garlic powder, just go over all the chicken, okay? You could pat it dry, don't have to pat it dry, just wash it off wash your chicken real good, and that's all that matter, okay? So now I have, oh, that was onion powder. That was a teaspoon of onion powder. Now this is a teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay. Then I have just a little poultry seasoning, just a little bit, like a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon, really. Half a teaspoon, okay, of poultry seasoning. I just want that flavor that it gives. Okay. Then I have some celery salt. So I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of celery salt. Okay. Now, I have some seasoned oil, Morton seasoning salt. So, I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of this to start out with. I got to eyeball it. Let's see what this thing looking like. Teaspoon. Let me see. I'm doing a teaspoon. I did a teaspoon first. And then I'm going back and doing a half a teaspoon. Because I don't want to add too much. So whatever that measurement come out to be, that's how much I use. 1 teaspoon plus a half of a teaspoon. Okay. So then I'm going and I'm adding me some complete seasoning. Y'all can find this at the Dollar Tree if they still have it. If not, you can find it at Walmart. Okay, so I'm starting out with a teaspoon of that. Okay, and that looks like enough. Okay, so now I got some black pepper and I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon to this. Okay, I don't want the black pepper to take over and be running the show, because it ain't running the show. It's just in here for the flavor. What's your flavor? Hey. Okay, so I got some rib rub seasoning. Y'all Google this if you want to know. I don't know where you can get it from, but I get this from a store that is here and they sell the seasonings. I can also get it from my flea market here that sells seasonings. So, but I got mine from the store. So this is a rib rub seasoning and it is good, y'all. And it's by BADIA. I ain't even finna butcher that name, but I said I wasn't finna do it. Okay, so I am going to add a tablespoon. No, wait. Hold on, because it look like I'm... Okay, teaspoon and a half. Another one, like I did the other one. 1 teaspoon, then a half a teaspoon. Okay, now some paprika. That helps with that color. That's all it's gonna do. And I'm just gonna add a teaspoon of this. A half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Paprika, however y'all say it. Then I got me some minced onion. Now this how I hide the onions in it because my husband swore he don't like onions and stuff. So I'm adding these minced onions to it. And he ain't even gonna know. So that's a tablespoon of minced onions. Okay. Then once I mix all this up, I'm gonna add me some of my green bell pepper to it. And I'm not gonna add no water, none at all, because this chicken is gonna make its own water. Its own water. Ooh, okay. Okay. So mix that on up real good, y'all. Okay, y'all. So I'm gonna get this on situated in the pan. Yeah, I said situated. Hope I didn't stab my pan just then. Okay. So got it just like that. Now take my bell peppers, and if you want, instead of adding mixed onion, you could have took you some onions and cut it on up and put it all over. But I'm taking these bell peppers and putting it on this chicken. Okay, just like that. Now I'm gonna take this chicken and put it in the oven just like this, no foil, no nothing. Okay, then when it get ready to come out the oven, I will be back. I forgot to tell you, put that chicken on the bottom rack, okay? And it's in the oven on 375 degrees. So I'm about to take this baked chicken out of the oven. Now if you came over here for the baked chicken and y'all see other things that's going on, it is because I done made me some collard greens, some chicken dressing, some baked chicken, some macaroni and cheese, some rice. If you don't know how to make rice, honey, y'all welcome to my channel and check me out so you can learn how to make some of this stuff, okay? So this is the chicken out the oven. I'm gonna add me some barbecue sauce to it, stick it back in the oven, let it get sticky, and that's gonna be it for that, okay? Y'all, look at that chicken. Look at that chicken, y'all. Ooh, child. That chicken is tender too, but I ain't gonna mess with it because I don't want to release no more juices that it already have released, okay? So hold on. So this is some barbecue sauce that I got. So now I'm about to just take this barbecue sauce, pour it over this chicken. Okay, just brush it on. I don't want it too saucy, but I do want some sauce on it, okay? And I got some more if I need some more, but I just don't want it too saucy. Y'all, this chicken finna be good. Okay. So now, I got the sauce all on this chicken. Y'all look at that. Yes, that look good on it. Okay, so I'm about to stick that back in the oven for about 5 minutes, not no 10. For about 5 minutes so it can get all sticky. Okay, y'all. So I got my chicken out the oven and the sauce is sticky on it and everything. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show y'all like this and then I'll just take the picture later. Okay, so this is the chicken, y'all. Y'all look at that chicken. Ooh, child. So I want to thank each and every one of you for watching my video. I hope you learned something about how to make some baked chicken. Until next time, this is your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Y'all be blessed. Peace and love to each and every one of you. All right, y'all.